Kaya, if you have no quaff, no cry, you didn't cry. You didn't cry. One minister or sofa, mean some, any Akoma FM, some or sofa, I mean, Kanasa, at the early stage of Najumaye, the roads and highways minister, or sofa, governs Suame Agboja, honorable. Hey, also some more tear me my consistent, more tear me a channel. When how I may, na me day the top. That a Juman won't have soon yet. No one yai say lamentations. This is any manner all yanuna. At a point, oh, Timiko Jamba being contractors or no more Konya the other. I had issues with him. But I know, let me admit. Na me ma won so nya we say papa no otiasem. Suame governs Agboja. Otiasem. Honorable Suame governs Agboja. Otiasem pa because oye adwuma. And you see, as antimantem ha, o mama ye action ti ase ne mabu ho aye hu. Enra. Make a same way say there are projects via contractors juma, and we must admit na yenka o kire bi on be kan say no no e na kan ya ade ne koso na nka nti ya no pe me ka contractors omo ye juma wo Suame Interchange, they are doing well for now. Me mbesa meka say oh ya damase my idea because juma work no is ongoing. But I am happy say omu the meeting say by November ekwani baby wo ho a contractors ni be so omu ye adwuma and they are doing well. Rango, they are doing well. Be so omu ye adwuma such that a bedroom November December no a traffic building up wo krom ha no. By that time na omo open ekwani baby. And that is the reason why more sa area ni nyina no. Who say contractor ni adwuma day and night. That is the reason. Video any pictures e gusu se sia ya wo hwe yi. Contractors enra. Now from enra no after say nso no to toye na no ebnada no ne ade nyina enra the whole day Ashanti region. Yenyansuo. So they are working when opportunity ni ba. They are supposed to work. This is enra. Omo ye adwuma night. Enra na adwuma mo ye adwuma. It's omo ye adwuma day and night. Ma yenka Roma yeti ha no bi ka say wo de ama anya hwekura na mo be hya ase ekura na yepe. Ene ye be ka kire wa ha na manim be gu ase maako ha na ye be ka no ye wie na eja ho nti ne se adwuma na ekoso a o se ye ka ne bo roads and highways minister honorable Suame governs Agboja ye bo na baso ai ye be bo na baso ni aka kire ne se my man nya say ye hu akwa na mom adwuma ebe koso saa kopim say kakra o mabie ne faces kakra me de matene no say by November December by November ekwan ba bi wo ho a o mbabie ama cars atimi afa so kama jomu gusu ye adwuma no ye mo mabaso ye mo roads and highways minister baso anope me bona baso but de ye hu say no minister nyesi ye bo abaso na wabetia da o da betia da no ya ye be ka no kra kire wo ye be ka no kra dia kire wo anwan kwanta kwan ya eno so na be ye topical issue contractor no am catch say contractor e wo ha o ye adwuma governs agboja ye da ase ana min twa ye da ase nim governs agboja why are there for now say contractor ba o ye adwuma mo ani nko ho sika o hia maniska no fanya adwuma because you see ye clan crofo ano mo te kwan no ho ano mo didwa say mo free ho ye ba be ye adwuma no ana adwuma no ka enwe ne se nti se ne contractor sign we resume no ye adwuma sika o hia mo mfama no Suame governs agboja. Thank you for now. The aka no mate se wua kwan no a wo mo ye no kofijobu ye ama access road a de be call hospital ho no omuguso omujie back to Abidjan kwanta kwan na aka no contractor be sa aba no aba be ye na adwuma ye hu e ba be ka dem contractor no wanya adwuma na nwie no free so e be sa be ka kire nkofo simple we ye no obi ani asem. Now I am done. Enti way oh tuntum ene gusu a ekoso yi. Enti my emphasis ho na yen koye mu ntem. Babja mo fa me ko wa ma asemra. Why? Ye wia e be kwa danse asokwa. Ye wia ye be kwa danse asokwa. Ene ye be spend time na ye hwe a great nwama asem. Mo be kai enra. Any assembly member no wa ha. Gidi enra se mo kai a mo amutie ye enra no. Ya mfa nche no. Yen eha wo ye adwuma ni abeka. Ai me se me frosro ha. Me ni wofa.